Risk assessment. Step 1. Risk assessment tools like Take 5 or Safe Performance Self-Assessment are used before commencing any work to manage and reduce risk. The steps in the Take 5 process are very simple. Stop, step back, and observe your work area and what is around you. Walk through your task and think through every step you are about to take. Identify hazards by asking yourself, what are the dangers I am likely to encounter at each step? Control each hazard you find and communicate these controls to others. And finally, you need to safely carry out your work. Safe Performance Self-Assessment is a very similar process that has only 3 steps. Step 1 is to assess, to consider your risks by locating hazards and asking yourself what could go wrong. Step 2 is to analyze, to work out how to reduce your risks and identify safeguards to control the hazards. Step 3 is to act, to carry your task correctly while controlling your hazards and using the safeguards provided. Step 2. There are many other things that can create hazards and increase your risk when loading a tanker. Hazards outside of your control can increase your risk, such as bad weather, vehicles moving about the terminal, trip hazards, and loss of electrical power. Personal factors can also increase your risk. Personal hazards such as working when you are tired or fatigued, working when you are not mentally alert, when your mind is not on the task, and using poor manual handling techniques such as bending your back instead of your legs. Step 3. It is important that you understand that things like tiredness due to poor or interrupted sleep, some medications, a poor diet, alcohol, stress, and physical exhaustion can make you unfit for work. You can form good habits to ensure a good diet and good health by keeping regular meal times. Take your time when eating. Drink plenty of water. Eat lots of fruit and vegetables. Avoid fatty and sugary foods. Get regular good sleep and avoid heavy meals before sleeping. Plan for relaxation and avoid heavy drinking. Step 4. Wherever possible, you should reduce your exposure to noise during loading. If your contact with excessive noise is unavoidable, then you must wear hearing protection. Step 5. When it comes to being injured in a terminal, did you know that you are more likely to be injured while lifting or moving equipment, being hit by a moving vehicle, or you could simply trip or fall on level ground? You must use the correct manual handling techniques and be aware of your surroundings at all times. Step 6. Research into tanker accidents has revealed the most common causes of vehicle accidents, which include vehicle or mechanical failure, not enough space to maneuver a vehicle, not enough time, driver fitness or illness, mistakes caused by others, failure to adjust to road conditions, and reversing, in which reversing accounts for 50% of all tanker collisions. Step 7. You must immediately report all incidents or near misses to terminal staff, including the following: fire, spill, overfilling of a compartment or compartments, even when there is no spill, injury, near loss or near miss, product mix, equipment fault or leak, and missing, faulty or damaged emergency equipment or signs.